The world as we know it has undergone a profound transformation. The battlefields of tomorrow are no longer confined to physical spaces. They are digital, intricately woven from lines of code and streams of data, existing in the silent humming servers that power our lives and underpin our modern society. In this new reality, the soldiers are often unseen, working tirelessly behind the scenes, operating from afar, wielding malicious code and sophisticated exploits with precision. This is the unseen war, a silent struggle, a constant shadowy conflict raging in our interconnected world, impacting us all. For every convenience technology brings into our lives, a new vulnerability inevitably emerges, creating new challenges. We all live on this digital frontline, whether we know it or not, whether we realize it or not, making cybersecurity everyone's concern. Palo Alto Networks stands as a giant in the realm of cybersecurity, forging the shields and swords that protect our most critical assets and sensitive information. The company's mission extends far beyond just selling software solutions. It's about building a robust bulwark against digital chaos and malicious attacks, defending everything from personal data and privacy to critical national infrastructure and security. As digital threats continue to escalate and become more sophisticated, Palo Alto Networks finds itself at the very epicenter of a global imperative, making it a company that every forward-thinking investor should be watching closely and with great interest. The recent cyber attack wasn't just an attack. It was a masterclass in modern espionage, showcasing the evolving tactics of digital warfare. A ghost in the machine, moving silently and with purpose through the digital corridors of power, unseen yet ever present. It targeted sensitive U.S. government agencies, exposing not only the audacity, but also the alarming sophistication of state-sponsored hackers. This was a patient, methodical infiltration, a calculated campaign designed for maximum impact, exploiting a zero-day flaw, a previously unknown vulnerability, to bypass defenses and gain deep, persistent access. The breach shattered complacency, leaving organizations scrambling to understand the extent of the damage, turning abstract risk into immediate crisis, demanding immediate action and a complete overhaul of security protocols. It exposed the weakness of patchwork security tools, revealing critical gaps for attackers to exploit with ease. State-sponsored actors now target foundational systems, the very backbone of our digital society, gaining strategic advantages and eroding trust in digital infrastructure, threatening the stability of essential services. This wake-up call has forced a fundamental reassessment, a top-to-bottom review of national cybersecurity, accelerating demand for integrated next-generation security platforms that can proactively detect and neutralize threats. Budgets are shifting dramatically. Legacy systems are being modernized at an accelerated pace, and the need for unified, automated defense has never been greater, as organizations seek to streamline their security operations. This urgent environment sets the stage, creating unprecedented opportunities for massive investment in cybersecurity, benefiting leaders who can deliver comprehensive solutions and effectively mitigate these evolving threats. In the aftermath of a major cyber attack, chaos creates opportunity for those who offer order. Palo Alto Networks is uniquely positioned to benefit from the desperate search for security. Its platform-based approach eliminates the dangerous gaps between disparate security tools. Organizations now seek trusted leaders with proven track records. Palo Alto Networks fits the bill. Its Cortex, XDR, and Prisma Cloud platforms use AI and behavioral analytics to defend against sophisticated threats, precisely where the recent breach occurred. The crisis accelerates vendor consolidation, making a unified platform from Palo Alto Networks more attractive than ever. Simplified management, improved security, and lower costs drive organizations to overhaul their defenses with Palo Alto's all-in-one solution. As the threat landscape evolves, Palo Alto Networks stands ready to lead. In the complex world of cybersecurity, performance and potential must be carefully weighed against price and future growth prospects. It's a delicate balancing act. Palo Alto Networks, however, offers a particularly compelling value proposition in this landscape, especially when compared to its often high-flying and richly valued peers in the cybersecurity sector. While rivals such as Fortinet and CrowdStrike currently command significantly higher valuations from the market, Palo Alto Networks effectively combines robust growth, increasing market share in key segments, and a more reasonable entry point for investors seeking long-term value creation. Its ongoing transition from traditional hardware-based solutions to software and subscription-based models is proving to be a catalyst, unlocking higher margin revenue growth and improved profitability. As next-generation platforms like Prisma and Cortex continue to expand their capabilities and market reach, the company's overall growth trajectory and profitability metrics are poised to accelerate even further. The recent high-profile government hack serves as a stark catalyst, forcing the broader market to critically reevaluate Palo Alto Networks' true potential and strategic importance. Demand for comprehensive and integrated security platforms is now skyrocketing across all sectors, which should contribute to closing the valuation gap between Palo Alto and its closest competitors. For discerning investors with a long-term perspective, this presents a compelling chance to buy into a market leader before its inherent value and future prospects are more widely and fully recognized by the market. In essence, Palo Alto Networks' market dominance is really just beginning to be fully appreciated by the investment community. Great companies don't just build, they buy, acquiring technology to stay ahead. Palo Alto Networks' recent acquisitions in AI-powered threat detection and cloud security are transformative. Advanced AI now supercharges Cortex, enabling proactive threat detection and response. The cloud security acquisition deepens Prisma Cloud, protecting modern cloud-native environments from development to deployment. These moves create a unified solution, securing everything from data centers to the public cloud. For investors, these strategic acquisitions show Palo Alto Networks' commitment to technological leadership. The company is positioned to remain at the forefront of cybersecurity for years to come. The future of cybersecurity lies in integration, not isolated tools. The recent government hack exposed the dangers of fragmented defenses. Palo Alto Networks' vision is a unified ecosystem, network, cloud, endpoint, and analytics working seamlessly together. Its Strata, Prisma, and Cortex platforms share intelligence and automate responses in real time. This integration shrinks the window for attackers from days to minutes. Customers benefit from simplified operations, reduced errors, and lower costs. For CISOs, operational simplicity is a powerful selling point amid a cybersecurity talent shortage. The integrated platform creates high switching costs, driving recurring revenue and customer loyalty. The more customers invest, the more secure and committed they become. Palo Alto Networks' growth engine is migrating customers from fragmented legacy systems to its integrated platform. Many organizations still juggle a patchwork of point products, which is inefficient and risky. Palo Alto Networks offers a compelling case consolidate for better security, simpler operations, and lower costs. Incentives and programs ease the migration, showing clear ROI through reduced risk and operational efficiency. The recent hack gives CISOs the leverage to push for architectural overhauls. Each major customer win locks in recurring revenue and strengthens market share. As more organizations embrace platform-centric security, the collective defense grows stronger. Palo Alto Networks is leading this shift, raising the bar for the entire industry. The breach of U.S. government agencies was a direct challenge to national sovereignty. The response, a top-down mandate to modernize and secure federal IT infrastructure. Billions will be spent, and contracts will go to those with robust, trusted solutions. Palo Alto Networks, with its public sector experience and platform approach, is primed to capture this spending. Its government certifications, like FedRAMP, give it a significant edge. The company's platforms are built for zero trust, aligning perfectly with new federal mandates. As Palo Alto Networks secures more government contracts, its credibility and influence grow across both public and private sectors. The government's crisis is fueling Palo Alto Networks' business, solidifying its role as a pillar of digital defense. We stand at a critical juncture. The digital world is now the foundation of our society. Cybersecurity is no longer an IT expense. It's a strategic investment in survival. Demand for comprehensive solutions is a secular trend, accelerating as threats grow. Palo Alto Networks is a premier vehicle for this essential trend, leading with vision, scale, and technology. The recent hack is a catalyst, unlocking spending and validating Palo Alto's integrated model. With attractive valuation, smart acquisitions, and a sticky platform, the investment case is strong. For growth investors, Palo Alto Networks offers durable advantage and a long runway. As the world races to build digital defenses, Palo Alto Networks stands ready to secure the future and deliver value to shareholders.